Hello, I want to talk to you about the Critter project. I want to share with you some stories. I'm not sure what you did with your critters, the kinds of activities, but this Critter project is an opportunity for students to use all their brain capacity. Let me share with you what Kelly did. Remember, I never tell students what to do. Kelly was left-handed. She asked the question, are critters left-handed? Kelly made a little maze out of popsicle sticks, and she ran the critters through a T maze, which forced them to make a left turn or right turn. Each branch of the T then ended in another T maze, and the critters were forced to make a left or right turn. What she found out, if critters turn right at the first T, they turn left at the second T. If they turn left at the first T, they turn right at the second T. Kelly found out that critters had a primitive sense of directions. I had another student, Steve, who asked the question, how do critters find food? He asked me about talcum powder. I had some. He sprinkled a small layer of talcum powder in a shoebox lid. He put some oatmeal at one end of the shoebox. He put his critters, 20 or so, at the other end, and he timed them for 30 minutes. At the end of 30 minutes, he had, to use an analogy, tracks in the snow. And the critters were all over the place. They followed the edge of the shoebox lid. They bumped into things. Critters found the food by bumping into it. Let me tell you about Lindsay. Lindsay kept her critters in her kitchen, and she noticed that when food was prepared in the wok, that the critters went crazy. They were very active and so forth. She speculated, hypothesized that in fact they could smell the cooking food in the wok. She did an experiment. She took a fingernail clipper and she removed the antenna from half her critters and had a control group that were normal. She cooked again with her wok, and the control group went crazy, and the group without critters did not react. They maintained their normal behavior. I gave no directions. These projects came from the students, from their brain. They were doing authentic science. Project teaching is an opportunity for students to self-regulate, take control. I recommend one project every quarter, every semester of the school year. Talk to you later.